So if you're 40 plus and you're wondering to yourself, how am I going to get back into the gym? I'm really not fit enough. Or you have a few little niggles in your body, well, give me a minute and I'll help you. Doing a spine curl is one of the things that you really need to get right, especially if you have lower back problems, which 40 plus people on the whole mainly have, which is why we do Pilates, let's be honest. Getting it right is easy. First of all, you can hold onto your knees when you're rolling down onto your back. Remember, always going one at a time and keep the belly button sucked back. Take your hands flat onto the ground, flatten your shoulder blades, pull your shoulders away from your ears. Bring your feet in as close to your sitting bones as you can. So those heels are right up next to the glutes. And instead of just going like that, that's just a pelvis lift. We don't want to be doing that. We want to get maneuverability through the whole of your spine. So press the belly button down, okay? Flattened all the way down through the spine, then leading the way with the hips, one vertebra at a time coming up. When you're on your shoulders, make sure you're still zipped up here. Remember, zip it, okay? Coming back down, you press your belly button down so that you're collapsing the spine down from the top, one vertebrae at a time, all the way down to the hips, and release back to neutral spine. Get it right. Thank you for giving me a minute, and if you liked it, well, please do hit like and subscribe, and don't feel shy. Comment, let us know what you'd like to see, how we can help you. And don't forget that soon, if you do like it enough, I'll be asking you to give me 15 minutes. See you later.